Welcome to our Stock Market Essentials video. Today we'll explore the fundamentals of the stock market, helping you understand how it works and why it's important. Let's dive in. Let's go over some key terms you'll often hear. Understanding these terms is crucial for navigating the financial world. They form the foundation of financial literacy and help you make informed decisions. By familiarizing yourself with these concepts, you can better grasp the dynamics of the market and the factors that influence your investments. Stocks or shares represent ownership in a company. Buying a stock means purchasing a small piece of that company, giving you a claim on its assets and earnings. Stocks are fundamental in many investment portfolios, offering potential growth and risks. Companies issue stocks to raise capital for expanding operations, funding projects, or paying off debt. As a shareholder, you may also receive dividends, which are portions of the company's profits distributed to shareholders. Bulls and bears describe market trends. Bulls drive prices up, while bears push prices down. A bull market indicates rising stock prices and high investor confidence, often driven by strong economic indicators. A bear market, on the other hand, is marked by falling prices and pessimism, often due to economic downturns or poor corporate performance. Understanding these trends can help you make strategic decisions about when to buy or sell stocks. Market indices like the S&P 500 and Dow Jones track selected stocks' performance. The S&P 500 includes 500 large US companies, while the Dow Jones comprises 30 significant companies. These indices serve as benchmarks for the stock market's health. They provide a snapshot of the market's overall direction and can help investors gauge the performance of their own portfolios against the broader market. An IPO, or initial public offering, is when a company first sells its shares to the public. This milestone allows a company to raise substantial capital for various purposes. For investors, IPOs offer opportunities to invest in potentially high-growth companies, though they come with risks. The initial price of the shares can be volatile, and the company's future performance is uncertain. In summary, understanding these key terms is essential for engaging with financial markets. Stocks represent ownership and growth potential. Market trends indicate sentiment. Indices provide benchmarks, and IPOs offer new investment opportunities. Familiarizing yourself with these terms equips you to navigate finance and make informed decisions. By mastering these concepts, you can build a solid foundation for your financial journey and enhance your ability to achieve your investment goals. The stock market operates through primary and secondary markets. In the primary market, companies issue new stocks during an IPO. The secondary market is where investors buy and sell these stocks. Major stock exchanges such as the NYSE and NASDAQ facilitate these transactions. Stocks come in various types, each with unique characteristics, benefits, and risks. Understanding these differences is crucial for informed investment decisions. Common stocks offer voting rights but no guaranteed dividends. Dividends can vary and are not assured. Preferred stocks provide fixed dividends, making them more stable. They have a higher claim on assets but usually no voting rights. Growth stocks are expected to grow at an above-average rate. They reinvest earnings into expansion, aiming for capital gains. Value stocks are considered undervalued, offering potential for significant returns when the market corrects their price. Blue chip stocks are from well-established companies with reliable performance, considered safe investments for steady growth and income. Understanding these types, common, preferred, growth, value, and blue chip, helps build a diversified portfolio aligned with financial goals and risk tolerance. Starting to invest in the stock market involves opening a brokerage account and conducting thorough research. Diversification, or spreading investments across different assets, helps manage risk. Always remember to analyze the company and industry before investing. Investors use different strategies based on their goals. These strategies can vary widely depending on the individual's risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial objectives. Some investors prefer a conservative approach, focusing on preserving their capital and minimizing risks, while others are more aggressive in their pursuit of higher returns, willing to take on more risk for the potential of greater rewards. Understanding these strategies is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the stock market successfully. By aligning their strategy with their personal financial goals, investors can make more informed decisions and potentially achieve better outcomes. Long-term investing focuses on holding stocks for several years, often with the belief that the value of the stocks will increase over time. This strategy is typically favored by those who are patient and willing to weather market fluctuations. Long-term investors often look at the bigger picture, considering the overall growth potential of the companies they invest in. On the other hand, short-term investing aims for quick profits, often within days, weeks, or months. This approach requires a keen eye on market trends and the ability to make swift decisions. Short-term investors need to stay updated with market news and be ready to act quickly. Both strategies have their own set of risks and rewards, and choosing the right one depends on the investor's goals and risk appetite. Fundamental analysis evaluates a company's financial health by examining its financial statements, management, competitive advantages, and market conditions. This method is used to determine a stock's intrinsic value and whether it is undervalued or overvalued. Investors using fundamental analysis often look at earnings reports, revenue growth, and other key financial metrics. In contrast, technical analysis studies price movements and trading volumes to forecast future price trends. This approach relies on historical data and chart patterns to make investment decisions. Technical analysts often use tools like moving averages and relative strength index to identify potential buy or sell signals. Both methods can be used independently or in combination to make informed investment choices, providing a comprehensive view of the market. Dividend investing involves buying stocks that pay regular dividends, providing a steady income stream in addition to potential capital gains. This strategy is popular among investors seeking a reliable source of income, especially during market downturns. Dividend stocks are often considered less volatile and can be a cornerstone of a well-diversified portfolio. By reinvesting dividends, investors can also benefit from compounding returns over time, further enhancing their investment growth. This approach can be particularly appealing for retirees or those looking for passive income, as it offers a way to generate regular cash flow while still participating in the stock market's growth potential. The stock market is volatile, meaning prices can fluctuate widely. While potential returns can be high, so can potential losses. It's crucial to maintain a long-term perspective and not be swayed by short-term market movements. For new investors, it's important to set realistic goals and avoid common mistakes like following the crowd or investing based on emotions. Continual learning and staying informed about market trends and economic news will help you make better investment decisions. In conclusion, understanding the stock market is essential for making informed investment decisions. We hope this video has provided you with a solid foundation to start your journey. Happy investing! This chapter will cover advanced stock market analysis techniques, including both technical and fundamental analysis. These methods are essential for anyone looking to gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and make more informed investment decisions. Technical analysis involves studying past market data, primarily focusing on price and volume. By analyzing stock charts, investors try to predict future price movements. Key tools in this approach include trend lines, moving averages, and various indicators like the relative strength index, RSI, and moving average convergence divergence, MACD. These tools help investors identify patterns and potential entry or exit points. On the other hand, fundamental analysis focuses on evaluating a company's financial health and overall performance. This involves looking at financial statements such as the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Important metrics to consider include earnings per share, EPS, price to earnings, PE ratio, and return on equity, ROE. These metrics help investors determine a company's intrinsic value and long-term growth potential. Combining both technical and fundamental analysis can offer a more comprehensive view of a stock's potential. While technical analysis provides insights into market trends and investor behavior, fundamental analysis helps assess a company's intrinsic value. By integrating these two approaches, investors can develop a more balanced and informed investment strategy. By mastering these advanced techniques, you can significantly enhance your investment strategy and make more informed decisions. Remember, the key to successful investing is continuous learning and adapting to market changes. Staying updated with the latest tools and methodologies will give you an edge in the competitive world of stock market investing. Pause 2S, thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your stock market endeavors. Keep learning and stay ahead of the curve. In this chapter, we will discuss the psychological aspects of investing, such as managing emotions and avoiding common pitfalls. As an investor, your mindset can significantly impact your success. Emotions like fear and greed often drive market behavior, leading to irrational decisions. It's essential to develop emotional discipline and remain calm during market volatility. One common pitfall is the fear of missing out, or FOMO, which can lead to impulsive buying decisions. Another is panic selling during market downturns, often resulting in realized losses. To manage these emotions, it's crucial to have a well-defined investment strategy and stick to it. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your portfolio based on your long-term goals can also help maintain focus. Mindfulness and meditation techniques can be beneficial in maintaining emotional balance. By understanding and managing the psychological aspects of investing, you can make more rational and informed decisions. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay calm, stay focused, and stay disciplined. Pause 2S. Thank you for watching, and we hope these insights help you on your investing journey.